again, adventurers, and welcome to our last vlog from Turkey. And today we'll be hiking to Kursunlu Waterfalls Nature Reserve. So let's get into the vlog. Right, and here we are at the main Kursunlu waterfalls. They don't look as big as, for example, the Dudan waterfalls, but they still look pretty nice here. They're only a short drive from Antaya, and plus you have a nice hike around here. Right over here we walked around to the other side of the waterfalls. We have opportunity to take some amazing pictures with these trees. Right over here we walk on top of the gorge where you can see this amazing view if you fly a drone over there. Right here we got to what we saw on the map was the second waterfall, but it was just a little cascade, but it was still pretty good nature here. Expected that there will be much more water here because it was raining quite heavily in the last few weeks. Antaya gets actually much more rain than we thought. It's around 1000 millimeters per year, which is almost double more than in Serbia. But if you go just a few hundred kilometers away to the mainland, it's raining much less there because there is no influence of the Mediterranean Sea. Come to Antaya and have a lot of time, definitely visit this Kursunlu Waterfall Nature Reserve. There is a lot of trees and there is even more hikes possible around here, but we didn't have time to do all of them. But definitely it's a great place to relax and explore the nature. Adventures, that's it for our adventures from Turkey. I hope you enjoyed it. The trip definitely exceeded our expectations, especially when it comes to nature and hiking. It was definitely much better than we expected, and we can definitely imagine living here during winter time. So stay tuned for future adventures, and as always, stay healthy and stay adventurous.